assignments, doubts, exams. We have got you back. EduPlanner make every chapter easy to understand. Stay tuned, learn more, grow with us.
Drawing the orbital filling diagrams for the different atoms. So for part A, we are given rubidium, which has an atomic number of 37. So it's over here. So the noble gas that comes before that is krypton. So we can do that. And then it gets into the 5s orbital. So we're going to draw our line, our 5s orbital below, and there's only one electron there. So we're just going to draw it with one arrow going up or down, either way. For part B, we are looking at tungsten, which is down here, has a number of 74. So the noble gas that's before it is xenon, so Xe is in brackets. Then next comes 6s, and it is full, so it will have one arrow up and one arrow down. Then we can't forget about that 4f orbital, which has 14 total electrons. So we are going to draw 7 lines, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will put our 4f below it, and then that is completely full. So we will draw arrows filling each one, and then the opposite direction on each line. And then the next orbital that tungsten is actually found in is that 5d orbital, and it has 10 electrons. So I'm just going to make it in this next row because I've run out of space. So it has 5 lines. It is our 5d, and then tungsten is the 4th one across. So we will do 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will put one arrow in each of those lines rather than doing 2 and 2, just because we have to spread it out across all the way before we can start doubling up. All right, coming down to part C, we are looking at germanium, which is 32. So the noble gas before it is argon. Then we have our 4s orbital, which is filled. Then we have our 3d orbital, 3, 4, 5 lines because it is a d orbital, and that is completely full. So we're going to put one electron on each line, then go back, give each line a second. And then is our 4p orbital, which is where germanium is found, which could have a total of 6 electrons. So we put 3 lines. Germanium is the second, so we're going to put an arrow in the first and in the second. And then last, for part D, we are looking at our element with 40 atomic numbers. Yes, the atomic number of 40. So the noble gas that comes before that is krypton. Then comes our 5s orbital, which is filled. So we put 2 arrows there. And then comes our 4d orbital. So we will put 5 lines. And then it is our second element. So it has 2 electrons, which are spread out.